one is normal vacuuming. Come on, let's get started. This is the brake. You have to pull the brake like this, and then it'll go down, and then I'm using normal vacuum. Let's get started. It'll be so noisy.